Hey everybody, Jackpot Dreamer. Phew. So we're on to, what is it, day 4, day 5? I don't even know anymore. On the free play winnings challenge. So yesterday was okay. That was alright. I didn't dare not use my pretty knife today because it brought me luck yesterday. So let's see what we got. As always, this is just cash word. I've got to reveal the letters, finish the words up here. When and if I do, check over here. I've got to have at least 3 words or more. And then, of course, I can get a multiplier in it. Where is this one again? 1 in 4.12. I want to get it going right quick because I don't want to take too long. I know that cash words and big O's and stuff take a little bit longer. Sorry about that. I like to see those vowels. I like that S, but I didn't get a T. Let's see. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, we've got all our vowels. Thank goodness. I hope that helps us out. No R. Okay, no R, no R. We've got a P, A, I, no D. No N. No D. Let's see. No T. No R. No L. No N. No L. I've got who. No T. Okay, let's see. No D. No T. No R. No R. No T. No T. No T. Any more going down? Yeah, no L. Okay, so this one's not a winner. All right, I'll jump right into the X Series 100X. Odds on this are 1 in 3.68. I can get a multiplier beneath the win, anywhere from 1 to 100x. Okay, so let's just go for it. 30, 37, 31, 19, 14, 47, 3, 22, 43, and 38. Okay. Not a lot of 20s, just that 22. Alright. So 13... Just 19, my only teen. 54, too high. 29, no, 22, they're only 20. 21, 21, 24. I just knew I was going to get all the 20s. 52, 42 is a no. 8, 41, no. 56, 58, 23, 49, 28, 57, 39, 12, 53, and 26. Okay, guys, so it was another bust day, but hey, we'll keep trying. We've got one more day left, all right, and see if we can't beat the odds. Okay. So until tomorrow, everybody, please like my video. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get enough subscribers that I can someday do live video. And, yeah, meet people, you know, that sort of thing. So, okay, till tomorrow. Bye.